In the previous video we discussed about variables. Here we are going to see about the arithmetic operators and some string splicing methods. I'm going to the Python console as we done earlier. If you didn't find that Python console down, you can go to this menu and you can click the Python console. Okay, so just create a variable as we done before in the last session. I'm going to create a variable, say name A is a variable which is going to hold a value of say 10, and I'm going to create a variable which is B, which is 20 again. So if you talk about arithmetic operator, we'll be having addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. So there's some example to demonstrate that. Addition, A plus B, if you enter, it will be giving a result of addition, and it is subtraction. So while you are going to do that multiplication, just you have to put asterisk and stuff x there, and division will be giving you a result of 0.5, which is like 10 divided by 20. And now we are going to see a modulo operation. What exactly the modulo operator will do is like it will return the remainder. So in previous scenario, A divided by B, it returned 0.5. In modulo operation, what it is going to do is it won't return the quotient, it will return the remainder. So suppose say 10 divided by 20, 20 cannot divide 10, so 10 is a remainder, so 10 will be the answer. If you put it in the reverse side, let us 20 divided by 10, that is B modulo 10, the answer will be like 0 because the remainder will be 0. So these are some arithmetic operation that can be done using this number. So what if I'm going to do the same arithmetic operation using that in the string, what will happen? Let's see that also. So to demonstrate string arithmetic operation, I'm going to declare a string. Let me put it as yes. Let me give a sentence, like big sentence. Okay. Raj plays cricket, in that way. Some sentence, you can give any sentence. For demonstration purpose, I'm just giving Raj plays cricket in that way, and then another sentence so that we can make this arithmetic operator to work. So H is equal to good. So Raj plays cricket good, in that way we can print and see. So I'm going to apply the arithmetic operation now to this both of the sentence. You can simply apply like yes plus H, that's it. Okay. You can see that the Raj plays cricket good. There is no space between cricket and good, so we can go for some indentation there inside this cricket and good. So we can do it in many ways, but we can easily do in this way, like yes plus double quotes. We can leave some space in that and plus H, which will give us the output like this. Just there is no space between this cricket and good. It looks good now. So what if I apply minus operator to this? If I apply minus operator to the sentences, what happens? It is throwing an error. So you cannot apply this minus operator. So can I apply multiply operator to the sentence? Yes, you can apply the multiple operator to the sentence. So just you put the variable name into some values, say 10. You can see that the good is printed 10 times because H has the value of good, and I have multiplied the H with 10. So it returns a value of 10 times it has printed the value good. So I cannot do multiplication, the division and modulo operation using this sentence. So that is not possible in Python. So I'm going to demonstrate another concept using this sentence, which is splicing. For this I'm going to assign a new sentence to the H, which is like Kumar scored good marks in English, say like that. So this splicing is like we can extract a character from this sentence. Each character will be given an index in Python. Say let me say K will be given an index, and U will be given an index, M will be given an index, and that every sentence, every character in a sentence will be given an index. The index always starts with 0. It won't be like starting with 1. In any programming language, index always start with 0. So H of 0 will print the first character, which is K. If suppose say I want to fetch the name alone from this sentence, I don't want other sentence, I want to fetch the name alone. how I can fetch, like what is the last thing, like KUMAR, or what is the value of R, I need to find that. Suppose say I'm getting the value h of 4 as R, I can splice it like h of 0 to 4, in that way I can do and extract the Kumar alone. But here, like the splice method will like suppose say if you are giving 0 is to 5, it will exactly splice Kumar. If you are giving that value 4, what happens is this Python leaves the last value. Like for example, it won't consider the last value. It will take, if you are giving 5, it will take the value up to 4. That is a scenario. So like as we see in this example now, I am giving 5 instead of 4. We know that 4 contains the value of R, but we should give 4 plus 1 value to extract the name Kumar, because the Python will, like if you are giving 0 to 5 means what happens is it will truncate the value, like 5 it will be truncated, it will take only up to 0 to 4. So the thing is, like if you don't want to specify the start value, we can give h which is colon 5, it will return the first 0 to 5 values. And if you're giving minus 2 means it will truncate the last 2 values. You can see here that is sh is removed from the English. So in this way you can practice like any set of possibilities for this splicing function. To recap, I have created this arithmetic operation for variables, addition, subtraction, multiplication and modulo things. And then I have created this sentence and I applied the same arithmetic operation to the sentence. I have applied plus, which is a concatenation operator in Python. Then I applied try to apply for minus, so it threw some error. Then I went into apply for the splicing methodologies. So the splicing is like we are going to extract some characters from the string. So what are the string that we need, what are the character that we need, we can do the splicing, and we can give ourselves a better way to generate an output. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt in this splicing methodology or any other concept in this, just put it in your comments. Thank you.